Hello, little artists! Are you ready to add some colorful fun to your day? Today, we're going to draw and color a beautiful lips rainbow makeup set. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's get started. First, let's draw the lips. Start with the top part and then the bottom part. Take your time and make those lips look fabulous.
Cool!
Great job! Now, let's draw a brush. Begin with the handle, then draw the bristles. This brush will help us add all those lovely colors.
Awesome!
Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. This will make our drawing stand out. It's time to bring our drawing to life with colors. Show your color pens. We're going to color the lips with rainbow colors. Let's start with the top part of the lips. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color.
Wow!
For the bottom part of the lips, light purple color. Rose red color. Pink color.
Cool!
Now, let's decorate the lower part of the lips with stars, circles, dots, hearts, and butterflies. Use your imagination and make it as beautiful as you can. Fantastic! Now, let's color the brush. Dark brown color. Brown color. Yellow color. Light pink color. Light purple color. Well done, little artists! Your rainbow lips and makeup set look amazing. Keep practicing and creating beautiful art. Don't forget to share your masterpieces with us. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw something super cute and easy. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a cute little heart right in the center. Like this. Now, let's add 2 adorable sleeves for our dress. 1 and 2. Next, let's draw the chest part. Just a gentle curve like this. Now, let's add a cute little belt and some heart-shaped buckles. So sweet! Time to complete the lower part of our dress. Let's make it with 7 lovely sections. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker. Now comes the fun part. Let's choose some beautiful colors to bring our dress to life. Pink color. Light purple color. Rose red color. Yellow color. For the lower part, let's use the colors of the rainbow.
Cool!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. here. And there you have it, little artist. A cute and colorful dress, just for you. We hope you had fun drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.